So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. And now you want to expand system. And now you want to expand current control set. And now you want to expand control. And now you want to expand CL. And now you want to select the config folder. And now this should appear on the right side. Make sure that you're now in the config folder. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now once we're here, you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword 30-bit value. You want to type in vulnerable driver block list enable. Spell it the same way how I did with the sim capitals and lowercase and then click on enter. Now you want to double click on it. And now in this box right here, you want to make the value data 1. Make sure that in this box you have the number 1 and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.